Let's go through the question once. Recently, you were cooking when juice spilled on your sari. While you were showering, someone took the pulses out of the cooker and put the empty cooker on the stove. Since you were in the shower, the probability that you took out the pulses is 0. Probability that Gopi comes to help you with sari is 90%. The probability that Gopi comes to help you and takes out the pulses is 20%. The probability of someone who isn't helping you being in the rasoda, which is the Gujarati word for kitchen, is 100%, and the probability of someone being in the rasoda and taking out the pulses is 90%. If Gopi helped you and Rashi did not, who has the highest probability of taking out the pulses? The options are you, Gopi, Rashi, neither you, Gopi, or Rashi, or all have equal probability. In order to solve this question, you will have to represent all the probabilities in its mathematical form, and you need to know the formula of probability of A given B. The formula of probability of A occurring given B is probability of A and B divided by probability of B. Let's apply this here in the question. Let's start with U. The probability that you took out the pulses uh, is 0 since you were in the shower. That's easy. We just put it 0. Next, let's move on to our suspect Gopi. The probability that Gopi took out the pulses given C helps will be probability of Gopi taking out the pulses and helping you divided by probability of Gopi helping you, which is, and the probability of Gopi taking out the pulses and helping you is 20% or 0.2. The probability that she comes to help you is 90% or 0.9. Now let's not solve this just yet. Let's move on to our next suspect, Rashi. The probability that Rashi comes to help you given that she did not help, or in other words, since she did not help you, the probability of her being in the rasoda. So probability of Rashi being in the rasoda is going to be probability of Rashi taking out the pulses and the probability of her being in the rasoda divided by her probability of her being in the rasoda, which, and the probability of someone being in the rasoda and taking out the pulses is 90% or 0.9. Next, the probability of her being in the rasoda is 100% or just 1, which comes out to be 0.9. If you compare these two, you can easily see that the probability of Rashi being the one to take out the pulse is highest. Therefore, the answer is C, Rashi.